Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore, ChatGPT. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's dive into it. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, the leading artificial intelligence research laboratory. It's part of the GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for the third generation of the generative pre-trained transformer models. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can be used for a wide range of applications, such as answering questions, generating conversational responses, providing suggestions, and even creating content like stories, poems, and scripts. To sum it up, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. However, it's important to remember that while ChatGPT is incredibly advanced, it's not infallible, and it's always wise to verify information from reliable sources. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this introduction to ChatGPT informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.